In this video, we'll be graphing a linear inequality. The inequality that we'll be working with is 3x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 6. Our first step is to graph the boundary line. So we'll do that by changing this to y equal mx plus b form to get our slope and our y-intercept. So let's subtract 3x from both sides. And then divide both sides by -2. Now remember, when you divide or multiply an inequality by a negative number, you have to switch the direction of the inequality. So we now have less than or equal to. A -3 divided by a -2 is a +3/2. And then 6 divided by -2 is -3. So our boundary line has a y-intercept of -3. And a slope of up 3 and right 2. Or down 3 and left 2. Down 3, left 2, puts me. Or up 3 and right 2. So our line is going to go through these points. Now, if we have less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, we draw a solid boundary line. And we have a dotted boundary line. If the inequality is strictly less than or greater than. Since this is less than or equal to, our line is solid. And then, whenever we have an inequality, we need to shade one side or the other of this line. One way to do that is to pick a point. So I'm going to choose to the point 1, 1. Right? And substitute the coordinates into the inequality. So my inequality was 3x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 6. Let's substitute these coordinates in here. So we have 3 times 1 minus 2 times 1 greater than or equal to 6. And I'm going to put a question mark on that because we want to see if it's true or false. So if we do the math, 3 subtract 2, we get 1. Is that greater than or equal to 6? And we see that that's false. So once we substitute our point into our inequality, if it's false, we shade on the other side. So my inequality is going to be shaded on this side.